Okay, ma'am. Shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Dr. P. Sriram, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. On behalf of first year BTech, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, it is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to this session. In this current scenario, the impact of technological advancements on human life is not complete without the role of information technology along all aspects. This event is aimed for our young budding engineers to have a basic understanding of their own IT department. Now, let's invite Dr. N.S. Subhashi, ma'am, Dean E&S, to say a few words. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Dr. Sona. Thank you, Dr. Sona. On behalf of first year BTech, I extend a warm welcome to Dr. Rajavarman and Dr. Kanya, HOD of IT department. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for sparing your time with your students. Dear students, you're all familiar that you people have joined in our university, and by this time you know that first year syllabus is common, and you're all clubbed into sections, right? There are few advantages when you have section-wise mingling like this. Why? Because nowadays we all focus on multidisciplinary focus and approach. So only when you work with people who are not in your domain, then you will come to know, or you can interact with people, and you can come up with good solution for the problem that are existing. Okay, but still, even though you are all in a section mingled, you should know as a student what is going on in your department. So the main aim of today's program, your HOD and your additional team, they are here to go through the happenings of the IT department. Okay, so this is going to be helpful for you for the next 3 years, and you can also write in a plan what are all you can do when you enter your department next year. Okay, so as even in the first year, we will be giving you all the skills platforms that are required for a skillful engineers. Okay, so with this few words, I would like to thank once again HOD and the additional team for coming here to motivate our students. So take home the good messages that they are giving and work smart working on it. Okay, all the best, students, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the motivation words. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I call upon Dr. K. Kalishwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to introduce our chief guest, Dr. N. K. Kanya, Head Department Information Technology. Ma'am, please.
Good morning, one and all present here. It is great privilege to introduce our guest, Dr. N. Kanya ma'am. Dr. N. Kanya ma'am currently working as the head of the Department of Information Technology and Internal Quality Assurance Cell in charge. Dr. Kanya ma'am completed BSc at ST Hindu College in 1998 and MSc Information Technology at Allahabad University in 2004. And MTech Computer Science and Engineering at Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute in 2007. Received her doctorate from Manumaniam Sundaranath University in 2017. And honors and awards. Dr. Kanya ma'am has received many awards and honors. Attained University 9th rank in MTech CSC. Received a distinct Service Recognition Award in 2017 from Rotary Club of Madras traditional, and received Icon of Faculty Award in 2016, and Sir C.V. Raman's Research Award in 2016 from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, an Outstanding Research Contributor Award in 2015 from Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, an Academic Excellence Award for producing 100% result in 2008 from Panikkala Engineering College. And Dr. Kanyama published many papers and 17 articles in international journals and 12 articles in international conferences and 25 articles in national conference and 2 patents for smart helmet and green cloud. We could not tell all her achievements due to time limit. Now I welcome Dr. N. Kanyaman to deliver the talk. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Kalishwari ma'am, and thank you, Subhashi ma'am and Sona ma'am, for giving us an opportunity to interact with the first year of our students of our department. The Department of Information Technology is very glad to invite our blooming buds, that is first year students of our department. We are very much interested to meet you, see you, and interact with you. Due to COVID and this SOPs, we are interacting to you through this online meet, Google Meet. Soon after all these things, we will interact to you personally. First of all, I want to welcome you all to our department. Our department has started in the year 2001 under Anna University. After when it has turned into deemed university, it is from 2003. It is under deemed university. Ours is almost 22 years, 21 years old department, which is one of the oldest department of our university and in engineering technology. Our department has very strong network of alumni who have passed out from our department and placed in various institutions and various organizations. They have grown up very well, and they are the pillar of our department, right? Before starting my talk, I want you to show the faculty member of this department. Just I'll present a screen. Just a minute. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. These are the set of faculty member in our department, right? The young and energetic staff members of our department, right? Thank you. Our department is almost 21 years old department. We are very good in teaching learning practices. We'll provide all the teaching learning practices through NPTEL and intranet, and we are having our own department YouTube channel. I want all of you to visit our department YouTube channel. The name of the department YouTube channel is Department of Information Technology YouTube channel. If possible, I'll share that YouTube channel link with you. Just go through it. Most of your seniors and your alumni, your faculty members, they have created their content on that. They have distributed their content on that, and we will be conducting frequent faculty development program, webinars, seminars, technical sessions. All these things are posted on our YouTube channel. All that teaching learning material they will be sharing through that. We also encourage our students to prepare the videos on the given an interested topic. They also post their videos on that on their interested topic. That is also available on our YouTube channel. Kindly go and subscribe our YouTube channel. Just a minute, I'll share here. This is our YouTube channel. Able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
These are the videos created by your seniors, second year, third year, and final year students. Just subscribe to it. You can get n number of materials relevant to that. Right, this is our department YouTube channel. Our department is very strong in teaching learning practice. Apart from this, we'll be having intranet where we'll be sharing the notes, right? And and we are also having a Google Classroom. Through that, we'll be communicating to our students frequently. We do have a WhatsApp group, separate WhatsApp group for each class, and also a Telegram group. It is known as IT Digital Notice Board, which include all the students from the Department of Information Technology, through which we'll be communicating all the details to our students. That is IT Digital Notice Board. It is in Telegram. By next year, you also be a part of that, right? We are very happy to welcome you all to that, and we encourage our students to do uh, uh, courses out of box, right? That is when you are completing your degree, probably in 2025, right? 2024. That time, uh, along with you, lakhs and lakhs of engineers will come out from various universities and colleges. You should be different from them in some other way, right? For that, we encourage you to do value-added courses, and also in our department itself, we'll be conducting in every semester. We'll be conducting more than 30 hours of value-added courses, which will improve your employability. I want to tell you an example in this case. Last 1620 passed out a girl named Iseki Devi. She's completed her graduation in this 2020 batch. She got placed in IBM, right? Out of the class strength is 42 on that batch. Out of 42, only she got placed in IBM. How she's able to achieve that? The thing is, she completed NPTEL courses in 3 or 4 NPTEL courses she completed with her own interest, and also she cleared many value-added courses which is given by us. We'll be providing value-added courses to you from IBM, Oracle, Sun Java, Cisco, IIT FOSS, Red Hat, all these. Now we are also having a data science club. So you can, if you are interested in doing data science courses, you can do data science courses. And we are having club for software testing. If you are interested, you're not interested to programming, you are interested to do this testing, you can do it, right? That is, you should have an additional qualification apart from your degree that will pull the employability to you easily. Likewise, Seki Devi, she got a good package, 4.7 lakhs package per annum in IBM. She got placed because of the additional skills what she gave, what she achieved through her study, right? And we do have internships. We motivate our students to do internships through the year of course of study. Our students will do internship in India and outside also. Every year we are having MOSFEST. Students from IT department along with the students from CEC department, they'll attend the MOSFEST internship and training, and they'll present their work in London every year. UK they'll visit. It is organized by Mozilla Club. They'll go and attend it, and they'll present their work in MOSFEST London. It has happened for last 3 consecutive years. Only this year, due to COVID, it has not happened, right? And also, apart from that, we do have the professional societies named as CSI, ISTE, then EWB, IEI, all these professional society we are having, our students will be member of this. Through that, we'll be having technical seminars and what are the things happening in and around our industry will be updated to our student through this. See, our industry is updating in the industry, right? IT industry is updating industry. The technology, what you are learning in the first year, will not be there in the industry when you are coming to the third year. The technology will change time to time, day to day. So you have to be updated. You have to be identify. You have to identify your interest in the domain what you want to work. If you are interested in programming skills, then you can go for programmer like that. If you are interested in data sciences or database technologies, you can be a data analyst, which is a highly paid job. Suppose you are interested in cyber security, all these things, you can. We are having a certification course along with that. Along with that, your degree, if you are specialized on that, you can easily get the job. Even you can do it free as a freelancer also, right? Suppose you are not interested in programming all these things. I want to do hardware and networking. Yeah, the path is there. Likewise, in the end of first year, you should be aware of what are the guidelines, what are the domains are there in IT industry where we can work. It is not only programmer and the software in the software industry. There are a number of job opportunities in IT industry. First, you have to identify the domains where and all you can work, right? And we are having where our faculty members, almost 80 percentage of our faculty members are doing and completed and doing PhD doctorates, and few of them they are going to register now. Very young and enthusiastic faculty members are there, where they'll motivate the students and they'll have the interactive sessions with them, and we welcome the students to come up with the doubt. They'll be clearing the doubt then and there, and as a young team is there, it will be easy to carry out all the events and all these things. The department is very active department, right? And also we are having tie-up with various organizations, and we encourage students to do the higher educations and also certification courses, right? Most of our department's strongest strength is our alumni. Our alumni is placed in very well in various universities and various institutes, industries in various across global, right? Most of the resource persons for our events are our alumni, where they place in various globally recognized institutions throughout the globe, across the globe, right? Um, One of our alumni is working in Carnegie Mellon University, USA. Am I clear? My Sonam Kumari is saying my voice is not clear. My voice is clear?
Yeah, clear, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear.
Kanya, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We are having and most of alumni are placed situated in US based countries, and here also we are having it. Apart from these are about our alumni and training, all these things. Apart from this, in day to day activities, we do have student monitoring cell. We are having. We do have a counseling center, and we'll be do free 20. So each 20 students will be allotted to a counselor or mentor. It is called as mentor. The mentor will mentor the students, each 20 students from the third semester to the eighth semester. So you'll be allotted a mentor. That mentor will follow your not only academic, your personal, your if you're having any issues, that also you can your overall coordination will be controlled by the coordinated by the mentor. The mentor will be allotted to you, Then the mentor will have counseling sessions with you. After that is one student to student. Then in class, we'll be taking feedbacks. We'll be having class committees. Class committee meeting will be in semester. We'll be taking 3 class committee meetings. Each through the class committee meetings, we'll be getting the feedbacks of the students, and we'll analyze it, and based on that we'll try to improve ourselves in the way it is needed, right? And assessment and evaluation, as you are aware, we are having internal as well as external. Internal is evaluated based on a formulae given by the university. The part of the internal will be your continuous assessment test 1, continuous assessment test 2, and your pre-university marks, and you'll be having 5 ILMs. ILM 1 is open book test, ILM 2 is quiz, ILM 3 is you'll be connecting, you have to take seminars. ILM 4 is group activity, ILM 5 is your participation in other college activities. You can attend seminars and conferences in other colleges, that will be considered for ILM 5. All these components together, your internal marks will be calculated. These are the components of and assignment. Along with this assignment, all these components, that is your CAT, your pre-university, your ILM, and your assignment, all together your internal will be calculated. External, you will be writing 3 hours theory paper, right? So you have to get a pass mark in your internal as well as in your external to clear a paper. Make sure you should get a pass mark in your internal and pass mark in the external to get clear in a theory paper. And third year, we are having a um, mini project, and the final year we'll be having 8th semester, we'll be having the main project. The 7th semester itself the project will start, right? Apart from this, by interest, you can do your project. Most of our students, IT students, are doing project in real time. That is, they are trying to digitalize the activities of our university, and they are trying to implement the real time project, right? The opportunities are there. It is only your interest how you are going to flourish and bloom in the department, right? And what others? What else? Soft skills are there. Then you have to be interactive in the department, be attentive to the classes, and be probably within 1 or 2 months we'll be having offline class. When it is offline, attendance is compulsory. Be attentive, be regular, concentrate on your dress code. You should be look like a professional from the first year itself, right? Outside of the campus, you can be like anything. That is your own wish. But when you are in campus, you should be dressed like a professional. You should be talk like a professional. You should be behave like a professional, right? Once again, I welcome you all to the Department of Information Technology. We are all here to help you, at all the stages, and we are all here to welcome you in the third semester. We are eagerly waiting for you in the third semester. Thank you once again for the opportunity. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your information regarding IT department, especially placement details and the importance of NPTEL courses and value-added courses and internships. Definitely, our students have got a basic understanding of about your IT department. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Now I call upon Miss S. Bhuvaneshwari, ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to introduce our chief guest, Dr. V.N. Rajavarman, sir, Professor and Additional Dean, Department of IT, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of first year BTech, Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, I feel immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Dr. V.N. Rajavarman sir. Dr. V.N. Rajavarman sir is a professor and additional dean of Department of CSE, IT, CA and CS, Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute and University. He graduated in MSc Computer Science from Sri Pundi Pushpam College, Tanjavur in 1990, and later he completed his master degree in ME Information Technology. He pursued his PhD degree in Computer Science Engineering from Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute, University in February 2011. His area of research is data mining and genetic algorithm. He is an efficient administrator having more than 25 years of teaching experience in engineering college and also in multinational companies in India and abroad. He has published 2 Indian patents and more than 25 research articles in national and international level. Words are not enough to praise his achievement. We welcome you, sir.
A very good morning to one and all. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
audible,
sir.
sir. Audible. Thank you, sir. Audible.
First of all, I wish and congratulate all of you, all of the students, on behalf of Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute and our young and eminent personality, our President ACS Arun Kumar, Department of Information Technology, and myself for choosing our esteemed special graded autonomy status university. Thank you, one and all. Also, very much proud about joining the Department of Information Technology in the right time and this pandemic situation. Why I am telling, we have been struggling last 1 year with COVID-19 virus. At the same time, even though fortunately our IT field is booming. It's true. In which way means every day or day by day, the worldwide digital data increased. The size of digital data increased on because of all are fastly converted into digitalization. We are in now digitalization. Wherever you go, you can see in tea shop also, in fish market also. Everything's moving only by digitalization, by Google Pay, Phone Pay. You know, at the same time, we have to face very big challenge. How to give the security for these data, digital data. Data means it may be audio data or video or text data, any type of data, whatever is the meaningful information available in world we are using, that's we say data, you know. So how we are going to manage and maintain the data and how to utilize these data efficiently, effectively and innovatively, that's the very big problem we are facing. The security is one of the very big challenge. We are struggling in giving security for the data. I think we'll get a world war may come by only the hacking these digital data to one country to other countries in future, I'm thinking. So security is one of the, maybe one of the problem in future. I think the IT field, that's why you know very well, IT is the information technology. We have to process the data, we have to store safely, and we have to utilize safely. We have to identify the knowledge from among the data, and we have to use that data. So that's the information process. That's why that's only we are going to study in information technology by various technology going to use and support on this process. Okay. That's why I'm telling the IT field, the IT department is entirely different from other departments. IT means I can say it's IT or computer science, engineering or MCA, BCA, anything you can say, right? It's entirely different from other departments. In which way, in which view means we are having a lot of recruitments. Today, the IT industries are seeking everyday recruitment. But unfortunately, we are not in shape. Here only any layman can come. Layman means any department people can come and shine here. First understand. Why? In IT field, if you want to work, you want to shine, you must have the self-interest and imagination and aptitude and what is this? Presence of minds is very, very important. You are applying this. So that's people only seeking by the industry people. Okay. No need to go, no need to give directly your subject strength and other things. You are improving your imagination power and aptitude and presence of mind. They will take and they will give the training, will use in effective manners. That's we have to, I think, improve ourselves. So what I am telling, so many recruitments, so many opportunities standing in front of you. Don't forget. Okay. So after COVID, only the information technology field and IT industry is growing and booming. Lot of project in doorstep. Okay. So this is only fact. So you are choosing, you are coming in the right time. By 4 years, you can get a bright future in the IT field side. Okay. So I don't want to give the advice for you. It's only easiest thing in this world. But nobody follows ourselves. It's not it's a difficult one. Even though I'm giving only one thing, Tamil சொல்லுவாங்க நுனிப்புல் மேயாதீங்க அப்படிமா. If you're having any interest field, right? You have to choose an interest domain today itself. This domain is I want, right? You choose. It may be anything. Data analytics field, data science, or cloud, or you can take, I know only C language, C++, or Java, or .NET, anything. Which domain, which area, which language you are having interest, just to go through and go depthly and get the knowledge and improve your strength on this subject. Okay. So hard work cannot be wasted. Again, I am telling. எந்த வியர் வைக்கும் வெற்றி ஓர் நாள் வேர் வைக்கும். This is given by one of the poet. எந்த வேர் வைக்கும் வெற்றி ஒரு நாள் வேர் வைக்கும். So don't think about your future. Just to go your work. Just to choose your domain. Just give more hard work on this. So we'll get sure. So this is not advice. Please follow all students. You are having recruitment. In other departments, we can't say like, okay, more recruitments available once you finish the other courses. Okay. But here, waiting for you. You have to yourself. You have to shape yourself. You have to improve yourself. You have to improve your skills in particular domain. Okay. You have to study all domains, all languages, all things, all databases, all. But one or two domains you should have in Nuni Viral. Okay. So don't Nunipul Mayar. So this is my suggestion. Right? So will help. This is, you are not in colleges. Right? Luckily, you are joined our universities. The vast difference between having a college and universities. In colleges, focus only your syllabus, your curriculum. But here, we are not worried about your curriculum and the syllabus. Beyond that, we are giving, just now your head has said, it's a value-added courses. Now, industries wants what? Okay. Python. Or anything, data science, data analytics. Okay. Immediately we put in your syllabus as a value-added courses, and we are giving. But impossible in colleges. Universities will do anything, right? We will give immediately. What was a trend in IT industries today? Immediately will apply and will give you in more forms. So don't worry. This is my advice. not advice, suggestions. Okay. Once again, I wish all of you, and particularly I thanks to your Dean, Dr. N.S. Subhashri, and your head, Dr. Kanya, and Kalishwari ma'am, Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, and Sona ma'am for giving wonderful opportunity for this wonderful induction program. And I pray Almighty will get in good health and get bright future. Thank you, Ananda. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your talk regarding the concept of information technology, digitalization, data analysis, especially the booming recruitment in IT department, and how to strengthen the base of the chosen field. Definitely, we hope that our students will follow your words, sir, and act accordingly. Thank you so much, sir. Now it's a time of vote of time.
Ma'am, just I want to tell a word, put a
Yes,
word.
ma'am.
That is, we are having a semi workshop on data science, SQL for data science on 27th and 28th of January. We'll just like to share that content in this chat. If the interested students can register, it's free of cost. The student can participate and get awareness of what's happening in the industry. Just I'll put a link for that. Anybody interested can register. The students who are interested can register and attend the workshop on 27 and 28. It is on SQL for data science. I have just posted the link. The students can join and register for that particular thing. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. They will follow it. Thank you. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our Honorable President, sir, for giving opportunity to conduct this program. I thank Dr. D.B. Jabraj, sir, Joint Registrar E&S, and Dr. N.S. Subhashi, ma'am, for their content support for this event. I may like to express our sincere thanks to Dr. V. Kanya, ma'am, Head Department IT, for giving an excellent coverage to IT department. And we also would like to acknowledge our gratitude to Dr. V.N. Rajavarman, sir, Professor, Additional Dean, Department of IT, for exposing his views towards this department. We hope our students inspired by your great words. Thank you so much, sir, and I thank students for patiently participating. So students, listen, the attendance link will be posted in the chat box. Please fill it, then only the attendance will be given. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Students, please fill the attendance link. Attendance link will be posted in the chat box. Fill it soon.
Sona ma'am, can I leave?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Can leave, sir.
Thank you.
You can leave. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Tell
Only
me.
IT students who fill the form, ma'am.
Only IT students only have to fill. You belong to which department?
Okay.
Ma'am, when college open?